Hi, I'm Marina, the Senior Fashion News Editor at TZR. I inform readers about the must-have trends of the season. My signature style is laid back but chic. I like to wear a lot of neutrals and add a pop of color, whether it's through accessories like a pair of earrings or a really cute bag. Today I'm looking through a rack of T.J.Maxx clothes to see if I could find the perfect outerwear and some pieces that I can wear all throughout fall. I'm not sure what I'm going to find at the T.J.Maxx rack, but I'm really hoping there are some great pieces in there that I can work into my fall wardrobe, but we'll see. So I'm at the T.J.Maxx rack now and I'm seeing a lot of colors, a lot of textures. Ooh, this is super cute. Because the color is pink, I love the biker jacket detailing. Makes it a little edgy. This coat comes in such a nice soft blush pink and it'll fit great into my wardrobe. I can't believe T.J.Maxx has this brand. I love a cropped cardigan and this comes in a really cute toffee colored hue. This is just such a great essential staple to have. I love this classic minimalist straight leg jean. These jeans have a cute little cuff on the bottom so you can show off your shoes, whether it's like a cool boot or a sneaker, and it's a great piece to have in your wardrobe. Ooh, this coat is so soft. I love that it's a double-breasted style, so you can wear it open or closed, and the coat is super light, but it feels really warm. It just goes with a lot of things. When I need a break from jeans, I'm gonna slip on this super flowy and breezy abstract printed skirt. It comes in a dark black hue, but with some great orange and yellow details. It's a little more interesting than your classic polka dot. I am super excited to try on all these pieces and see what actually looks good and what I can work into my fall wardrobe. I think this outfit is really sleek and put together. There's a little bit of neutrals because you have this little brown cardigan, but then the pop of color comes through the coat and also the abstract printed skirt. This outfit's great. I would wear it to brunch or to date night with my boyfriend. Overall, I'm really excited by everything I found, and I think there was a great balance of neutral pieces plus pops of color. I feel really good in this. I can't believe I can find these quality pieces at amazing T.J.Maxx prices. Fall is finally here and you can get the season's looks at TJ Maxx and TJMaxx.com.